I'm back with a banger, and today what we're going to be doing, jumping off the roof, and we're going to be going that, and let's get started. Let's get started. So first I'm going to attempt a backflip. I don't know if I can do one in here, which is filled with stuff, but I'm going to attempt one. Let me try this. So that worked. So now I'm going to try to go on the roof, but let's see if we can. This. So. So, let's go. Oh God, that guy, he looked at me. I'm so scared right now. So, without further ado, I'm gonna do a front flip off here in the trampoline. But before I do this, smash that like button and subscribe. So, let's do this. He saw me jump. Oh my God. So, what I'm going to be doing right now is I'm going to put you guys in a waterproof case and putting you in my pond so you can see my fish, because I have fish and turtles, so you guys can see them.